This is the hotel, super cozy. The one defining factor about this hotel is the counter space. I like the counter space because a lot of hotels in Tokyo, they don't have counter space and the washroom is not as big. And wow, you look good. Oh, thanks. Hello, we're in Tokyo. This is the first full day in Tokyo. We flew in last night around 9 p.m. So we were so exhausted, we just went to sleep right away. So yeah, this is the first full day that we get to enjoy in Tokyo, and I'll take you guys along with me along this journey. This is my simple makeup look for today. Maybe I should put on my blush. It doesn't really come up on camera too much. Start lining up at like 10 a.m. but we didn't get to order until around 11:30. Then it was another 10-minute wait on top of that. So we ended up just getting these two. Their signature latte, the Bongen latte rich. This one is a little very rich in flavor. They like very herbal. It's quite nice. And then this one, the matcha latte. A lot more sweet than I thought it would be. But overall, very good. Not sure if I would wait 2 hours for this again though. So thank goodness that like got both of these so we can try. On the way now to get some Michelin Star Ramen. Well, not actually a Michelin Star anymore because they lost their star. But yeah, super excited. So I ordered what they're known for, the chukusoba, which is known for its soup base. It's rich in umami flavor and it's made by combining duck, chicken, scallops, and shiitake mushrooms. And then I also ordered their rice bowl with some chasu. And then their chefs just told me that another way of eating the chasu rice is to add some of the chukusoba over the chasu rice that already contains some wasabi, and this changes the texture of the rice into a rice porridge. It's so good. We just finished brunch and now we're on our way to Asakusa. Don't you love how convenient everything is so far? We literally just walked like 5 minutes to the train station. Got a green tea mochi with the strawberry. This is one of the must-eat things I had to do when I come to Japan here. It's like very soft. Like this is like perfectly sweet because I feel like a lot of Western desserts are so sweet. I can't have more than just like one, but this is like perfect. I really like the filling, the green tea filling. good matcha. So quiet in that store, so I was so embarrassed to even talk because everybody was so quiet while eating. I guess this is like the Japanese culture, but overall I really like the matcha ice cream. I chose the strongest level, which is the level 7. It wasn't too strong. It's not too overwhelming. Definitely a lot of that matcha flavor that you'll get, but overall definitely a must try. These are so beautiful. In Shibuya right now, planning to do some vintage shopping and then going to an omakase after for lunch. The weather is quite nice. Not too hot today, which is quite nice. It's like a slight breeze in the air too. First omakase now. So good. That was one of the freshest unis I've had here in Japan so far. Look how soft. charcoal. There's like a hint of spiciness too. So hot. Definitely tastes like shiitake mushrooms in this. It's like so infused into the egg. So good. Just finished the omakase tasting menu. Definitely worth it. I paid around 5,000 yen for the whole entire course. It's like one of the freshest fish I've ever had. The uni was so creamy and it doesn't have a metallic taste. It wasn't fishy at all. Whereas the ones in North America, I can always taste like a little bit of fishiness to it. The ikura was also super fresh, very tasty, and it literally just pops in your mouth. And then the squid was super soft, super velvety, nothing like what you have in like North America. So I definitely recommend going and trying it.
Give me butterflies when you smile and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do?
Ramen is everywhere in Tokyo, but instead of your traditional pork tonkatsu base, Gonokami makes a shrimp broth ramen. If you're curious what this tastes like, it's like a lobster bisque, but instead of using lobster shells, they use shrimp shells to make a thick shrimp bisque that you can actually dip Tsukemen in. And after that, they top it off with the aromatic shrimp oil for even more shrimpiness. If you love seafood, this is worth checking out. Back at the hotel now, and I'm finally gonna take off my makeup. And my makeup stayed on like pretty well despite me sweating like the entire day today. It was so hot. I'm gonna be using some micellar water to really take off everything. I'm like breaking out so much of my chin before coming because hormonal acne things. Look at all the makeup that just came off. And then going in with my salicylic acid cleanser. And then on clean skin, I'm going to apply the I'm From Rice Toner. And then the Pareto Wonder Relief Centella Serum. And it really helps with any redness and like irritation, especially what I'm having right here. Look at this. The Nabazen number 5 Vitamin Concentrated Serum. And the Dr. G Clear Soothing Cream. And this has like a thick texture, which is so nice on sensitive skin and dry skin. And moisturizes so well throughout the night. And then now I'm gonna get ready for bed. See you guys.